Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and Dehlaminis. Usibongile has been invited by Faith to a party yakabani yakabo kwenzo, that ceremony thingy that's happening there, and girl is excited. Ugqoke nje a beautiful red dress, nje ungaphakathi nje uyi-family member at this point. Now, we all thought ukuthi the event was gonna go smooth. No, uSibalikhulu wenza ama-jokes nyana lapho nalapho that people could not get, but we all know ukuthi uGuy is still angry and still upset by the allegations of cheating. And I'm like, how do you get upset if you also cheated and came with a child? Shouldn't it be square up and then you guys move on? But it looks like it will never be squared up. It looks like nje uSibalikhulu lento ayemphathanga kahle. Why ngisho kanjalo? Even masekudliwa kuthathwa iy'thombe uyambona ukuthi uGuy unsettled. uGuy akekho the way amele abe ngakhona. Mase kufika-ke embhedeni umfazi wakhe sekathi siyiqede athi mamela-ke girl, into ezoyenzakala ukuthi I'm going to have DNA tests for all these kids. I want to know which one is mine and which one is not. And when you can relax, they will not know. Now, Phetheni wathi, do you think I would ever do that to you? So Phetheni would never do that to him, but he will do that to Phetheni every opportunity and every chance he gets. Unomfundo-ke wabamdampa ubhuti wabona ukuthi unomfundo wazama man, wayezama wayengena ngapha nangapha. uGuy wathi no, you are in love with another man, it's not going to work. At this point, we've tried it so many times. We've tried to talk, we've tried 1 2 3 4 5, but it's not working. Every time you disappoint me, it's because of another man, and therefore it's not going to work. So now relationship iphelile, unomfundo is going to come back in the relationship yakaPhetheni. We all know ukuthi, so it means ukuthi this drama or this storyline will forever be revolving up around the relationship yakasibongile, the relationship yalo cheating yalo baba, like yeah. But uSangweni is now, the balls are rolling for him. Izinto azihambi kahle. People are coming back, returning the merchandise and saying no, you are selling us fake products. uSamke amsindise kule fake product, but how far and until when will Samke be the savior for these kids? Ulo uVelephi yena ibhizinisi ihamba kahle. The ladies are making the things that make the post to be done, but we all know ukuthi when SARS comes, it's going to hit hard and it's not going to be nice. It's nice now, but I know ukuthi nje the nice part of all these storylines zivela zibe very short-lived. So we know ukuthi it might be SARS that spoils all the happiness that uVelephi has currently. But the business is flowing, the business is going good. So her dreams are outside Usipho right now, and she's focusing on running the business.